Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see who visited your profile and see everything related to your Twitter account. So basically there is no option on Twitter that can tell you who visited your profile or just basically analysis to your profile. But there is a different tool online that you can use that is going to help you see everything related to your Twitter account. So first of all, you're going to open Google, and then from Google you're going to search for Twitter Analytics, okay? And then you're going to click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, you're going to sign in, and then you're going to click on Turn On Analysis. Then you're going to be in your account, and you're going to see every single thing about your account. Since I just created this account around like 2 days ago, so I have nothing that is going to show. But if you have an account that is active always and you're using it over and over again, you're going to find the analysis. Okay, as you can see, 28-day summary. There's nothing because I do not retweet or do anything. So but basically this is where you can see go on to tweets, what you tweets you have done, and what impressions you got. As you can see, engagements, liked, retweets without comments, likes, replies. As you can see, all of these are you're going to see on Twitter with twitteranalytics.com. So yeah, that was basically how you can see, and you're always, of course, you're going to see who visit your profile and everything related to your Twitter account. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.